Welcome to the class, children. Today we'll be discussing Kannada Varnamalegalu, that is the Kannada letters. They are 49 in number and they are divided into 3 categories. First is Swaragalu, Yogavahagalu and Vyanjanagalu. Swaragalu are a, I, u, r, e, I, o and ow. And aha come under Yogavahagalu. Swaragalu are again divided into 2 groups. One is Hrisva Swaragalu, another one is Dhirga Swaragalu. Now this division is based on the time duration of pronunciation. Like under Hrisva Swaragalu, you use less time to pronounce these letters. Like a, I, u, r, e, o. These come under Hrisva Swaragalu. Dhirga Swaragalu, these letters are pronounced a little bit longer than Hrisva Swaragalu. Like a, I, u, e, I, o and ow. So, Hrisva Swaragalu and Dhirga Swaragalu. Hrisva Swaragalu are pronounced shorter and Dhirga Swaragalu are pronounced a little bit longer. Then comes the and aha. And aha are the zeros. 1 0 is Anuswara and 2 zeros written like this is the Visarga. So these zeros can be added with any of the letters. So if you add with a, it becomes You add with k, it becomes kam. If you add with the ch, it becomes cham. And visarga are 2 zeros. And these zeros also can be added with any letter. And the pronunciation will be like with a, it is aha. With ka, it is kaha. Ga, it is gaha. Cha, it is chaha. So that's how we pronounce the Yogavahagalu. The zeros can be added with any of the Kannada letters. So ka and 1 0, that is Anuswara, it is pronounced as kam, gum, cham. And 2 zeros, that is Visarga, it is pronounced as kaha, ha. It ends with ha. Gaha, cha and Visarga, chaha. Now here Anuswara, when we form words, how it is read. You have to read these two together and then the next letter. So ga, gang, ga. Du, in, du. So pronunciation will be of the first letter a and ang. Then anga, g and 0, gang, ga. O and 0, du. E and 0, du. Visargas, how do you read Visarga? When we form the words pu and naha, punaha. Na and maha, namaha. Vyanjanagalu are 34 and Vyanjanagalu are grouped into 2. First one is the Vargiya Vyanjanagalu, which is k, g, gh, nya. And then you have the Avargiya Vyanjanagalu, which are ya, r, l, v, sh. Sh, s, h, l. Now Vyanjanagalu, when they combine with the I, that is the Swaragalu, they form the letters like k, k, g, gh, nya. Like this. K, Vyanjana plus Swara will give you the letter K. So under Vyanjanagalu, we will read it as K, Kha, G, Gha, Nya. Cha, ಛ ಜ ಝ ಞ ಟ ಠ ಡ ಢ ಣ ತ ಥ ದ ಧ ನ ಪ ಫ ಬ ಭ ಮ. Now these Vargiya Vyanjanaಗಳು are divided into 3 groups based on the pronunciation again. Alpa Pranagalu. Now Alpa Pranagalu first column and the third column. Alpa Pranagalu are the words where we do not use any force to pronounce them. So like ka, cha, ta, ta, pa. We are not using any pressure here. Ga, ja, da, da, ba are called as Alpa Pranagalu. Next we have the Mahapranagalu. Mahapranagalu are the second column and the fourth column. Now to pronounce these words you have to put some pressure like kha. This is ka, this is kha. Cha, tha, tha, fa, kha, cha, tha, dha, pha. These are Mahapranagalu. And the last column we have the letters which are pronounced with the help of the nose. Nya, nya, na, na, ma. These are called as Anunasikaಗಳು. So Vargiya Vyanjanaಗಳು are grouped into Alpa Pranagalu, Mahapranagalu and Anunasikaಗಳು. Avargiya Vyanjanaಗಳು. Avargiya Vyanjanaಗಳು are ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha and la. Thank you, children.